Hi guys, Mr. Magnificent is back for another Minecraft edition. Today we're playing another Hunger Games episode 3. Yeah, we're on episode 3 now. And yeah, game will start in 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the game started. Oh, pick. Oh, yeah, a good start. Then, yeah, good start. We need more item. Oh, where did that go? Yeah, need food. So, oh, gonna run. Oh, you're not invisible. Yeah, oh, where am I? Oh, boom, yes! I got a first kill. No! I have my first kill. Hey! Get out, I'm gonna kill you. You wanna fight? Oh, wait, okay, lol. Oh, hey. Wanna fight? Hey, get out. Oh, they team. No. That's, okay. Hey. Ouch. Come on, man. You're gonna die. Oh. You better run, bitch. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah. I'm cleaning up. I need food. Oh. I need food. Okay, I'm gonna run. Woo! I'm gonna run. I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Better run. Ouch. Sprint. Yes, sprint. Sprint. Run. Run for your lives. Oh. So, oh, it's not following me. Yeah. Run, bitch. Oh, come on. I'm gonna die. Just keep following me. No. Oh, no, motherfucker. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna die. Come on, man. Oh. I died. So, let's play again. Bruce Island. Oh, I know this map. Yeah. 2 minutes again. Come on, man. Okay, the game starting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the tournament started. Oh. Oh. I don't like bow. What the? I don't know what's happening. Oh, I'm not invisible. Oh no, wrong. I'm gonna run. I have no sword. Hey. Oh yeah. Run. I'm going here. I'm gonna climb. Maybe there's a chest. Oh yeah, there's a chest. I'm right. But better sneak mode so no one can see me. Oh, I don't like bow. Yeah. What? Hey, what? What's happening? Hey, give me my axe. Give me my axe. Give me my axe. Ouch. Lag. Lag. So much lag. Oh, come on, I can. Oh. Oh, this chest. Ouch. So hard. Oh, I need a cake. Duplicate. Oh, lag. What's happening? Is that the end? Oh no, my arm is gone. Come on. Lag. What a lag. Oh, where's my axe? I'm not sure about that. I find no guess. 9 player remaining. Oh, this people. I think that they're fighting. But oh, I'm weak. I have no sword and axe, so I'm gonna watch who's gonna win. Oh. Who's gonna win? I have no armor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. He's giving something. Wait. No. This. Yeah. I think it's running. I need to go up because it's not safe here. No. Oh, it's just been refilled. Oh, that was so close. Oh, what? How did I die? Lol. So, yeah, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. And, yeah, thanks for watching. And drop a like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. So, that's it. Bye. And peace.